नमस्कार
నమస్తే నమస్కారం వణక్కం
ఖుషామదీద్
సలాం అలైకుం
సత్ శ్రీ
సత్శ్రీ
అకాల్
అకాల్ మీకందరికీ వందనము
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
गजनेंद्र
मैं इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते याली मदद
मलाली मतलब बोलते हुए सारे फीजे मतलब बोलेंगे ईसा बोला बरजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं सब फालतू बाबा
and of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंद जानी है
दूसरा बरजान ऑफ कोर्स आज का शो का टाइटल ही टाइटल है it's a meta show बरजान टाइटल का टाइटल well if you're wondering what is title का title well, I'll tell you what बरजान you know actually Indian cinema right we always take it for granted but actually planning a title for a story is the hardest part because you got to make sure the whole story is conveyed in the title. At the same time, the whole story is not given away by the title.
yeah huh?
So,
okay
You
not
didn't get it,
given
Fabian?
away by the title it
like,
piques enough interest
it has piqued enough interest in a person to actually make sure they can actually get the thing going, right? But at the same time, it should not be like as though it is a giveaway of the whole movie.
yeah like for instance Golio ki Ras Leela Prem Leela or whatever
That
right?
was the most.
Ram Leela
You know, I think Sanjay Bansali has never been lucky with titles.
yeah
Yeah.
what are the other movies he made
Padmavat.
huh Padmavati was what he made and then it made it Padmavat
Yeah, she became a flop afterwards, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't a flop. It was a flop, right?
No,
It
no,
was a
no.
flop.
They made it a hit.
In my thing, it was a flop.
okay fine
Well, because they did, see, it did not make the kind of money it's supposed to have made.
it
right?
really
Yeah, I even think that because you recycle artists, also, that's a different show totally. We'll talk about that for sure. Like Ravi Kili, I'll tell you one thing. Right, Fatwani? We are talking about titles and we're giving an opportunity to everybody out there to actually, express their creativity.
right
How, you may ask?
how
I said you may ask, but you don't have to ask.
yeah
Yeah, and Vibha, welcome. You said black already. She said black is a line. Yes, but again, they go now. Depending on the story, there might be many movies you have gone and watched, right? You might not have watched also because trailer was bad, right? Now I have gone and watched movies because titling was nice.
yeah
Yeah,
just because the title was nice
yes, because title was nice.
like
I
Jab
went to
Bahari
watch,
met Sejal
No,
Then?
that was not. I went there just because somebody else, the whole group was going, so I went there. But I went to watch the movie Gentleman.
was that a gentleman movie
No, it was not a gentleman movie.
there's nothing gentlemanly about
There
it
was nothing gentle about that, right?
yeah exactly
You know which movie we're talking about, right?
yeah
The one
oh
with-
Chandalekha
Yeah, exactly.
Jab-
Now the question is, what would I have named? Because many a time when we actually go as the consumers, right? We feel powerless sometimes.
right
Arey yaar, this is you don't know. You just go there, watch it. Like for instance, biggest fub of the industry or fub of our this at least 2021 was to go and watch this movie Radhe Radhe upon the insistence of somebody over here right next to me.
hey it was not Radhe Radhe it was a movie called Radhe
Whatever. If we went,
Hey,
we went to watch movie Radhe, we came out Radhe Radhe. That's what happened.
वेल बंजान मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं ना कोई भी मूवी जाके देखूंगी मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं
यार
पड़ता है
देखो लेकिन I'm talking about
पिक्चर बंदों के साथ जाके देखना है एंजॉय करना है
But
बस
I'll tell you what, when you
don't
go,
complain
do
and
you
don't
actually
eat too
do you
much
come back of the movie and analyze the movie?
yeah
Do you?
Yeah.
Don't do that also.
Why
Don't
should
yak
I?
yak. Don't just go watch the movie, come back and accept it.
No.
But no, you can't because after watching a movie like Radhe, you'll come back with a headache only.
no I
That
don't
should have
come
been
back
a
with
movie
headache.
called Saridon. Or it should have been called Sorry Dawn.
oh that would have been nice sorry
Because
Don.
the doll actually beat up the cop so much, my goodness. One way they show that the movie actually, the cop is super cop, and then they show super villain.
super villain
Yeah.
I forgot I've seen like I saw 3 or 4 movies that Mumbai Saga and I saw what is that the Radhe I got mixed up between the storylines now
Yeah, no, well, that's fine. Mumbai Saga, the thing is story. तो आज का titling ही तो है ना. आज story के बारे में नहीं, titling के बारे में बात करें. How could we have done the title better? Or how could we have made the title more interesting for people to watch?
oh
Like Mumbai Saga. What would you have called it otherwise?
Mara Mari
Ah. See, God, that's the thing. There's no right or wrong answer to this, Banajan. So we talk about a particular song, talk about a particular movie, and you got to tell us what could be been the alternative title for that.
right in Mumbai Saga I would have just said yeah Mara Mari or something like that I'm not sure but either ways Manajan आपको आज मौका मिलेगा if you are movie buffs or not like us we are movie buffoons that's another thing altogether तो आप यहाँ पे कॉल कर सकते हैं 408-912-2479 now देखिए मुंबई सागा का already एक sort of मीनिंग आ जाता है कि इट्स समथिंग टू डू विथ शूट आउट एट लोखंडवाला टाइप्स.
Yeah, okay.
Right, but this whole movie was about how the sort of it's a takeoff on the Shiv Sena and everything, right? The leadership there.
Correct.
Right, so I would have just, I don't know, I wouldn't have called
Maramari is a good number. No, that's fine. So here's
Yeah.
what we'll do. Now, similar to that, Faltoni, we'll give a storyline to our bandhus, right? Now they can guess what the story is, which movie it is, right? That's fine. But based on the storyline, if we come with the title, tell us, right? That's what you got to do right now. You got to give us a call here. And what do you think? You might know the movie's actual title, which came out release also. But I'm asking you guys, what would have been the title for it? Because I don't want you to have the implicit bias after I tell you the title of the movie. So hence, I'm going to tell you the story of the movie.
Okay.
स्टोरी को नरेट करते हैं आपको बोलना पड़ेगा इसके लिए क्या हो सकता था as a possible title, right? Now this the storyline is something about a kind of a happy-go-lucky, good-for-nothing fellow, right? He sees a girl, he falls in love with her, right? This girl is actually a very sincere kusti practitioner.
Oh.
She is a national level kusti wrestler. National level, okay? And her father has a akhada. So this guy falls in love with her, tries to smooch her on, but no, finally she puts him in his place, right? But then he takes it on himself and starts learning kusti just to be on par with her, right? He becomes very good, becomes very famous also. He goes up to the national level also. Right, but something happens where actually and later of course the girl falls in love with him also, and then there's barabar raag both sides, and they get married, and they almost are going to have a child. Right now, what happens is the child when the labor time, whatever happens, he's still too busy accepting awards and everything. So what happens is this guy he ignores the family, they lose a child. And the rar between the husband and wife separates, and he goes into depression kind of a thing. So everything, what was the top high for him because of the career, kusti career, drops. Okay? And after so many years, it's a comeback for him. Somebody finds out that there was a guy like that, so somebody bringing MMA thing. Oh, here let's bring this guy into the mix.
Okay.
Like the MMA, right? They actually launched in India, right? So this guy comes in and he becomes it has a second take on life for him, right? And he comes back and he becomes the champion again.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who is the?
Not who. We know who it is.
Which?
It is a Salman Khan film.
It's a.
We don't want to give out the name of the movie because you will automatically start thinking in those lines only. I want to ask you, what could have been the alternative title to this?
Right.
Yeah.
What is the alternative title? अगर ये story सुन के आप title रखोगे, तो आप कौन सा नाम रखोगे इसके
See,
लिए?
this guy, he had to fight for his love. He had to fight for his position as a wrestler in the first part of it, and then he had to fight for his child and his wife who he lost. Right, but later on he lost with life, and then an opportunity comes in for him to come back, and he had to fight again in the Pentagon, like the MMA awards, not MMA awards, MMA mixed martial arts thing, right? So that championship, he has to fight again to reach that particular status again back on his life.
Oh,
so it's a fight all through for him, right? Now, what was this particular movie? If you know, give us a call, 408-912-2479. And if you think an alternative title for that, what would that be, right?
Yeah.
So now, from that movie, I'm going to play a nice song.
Okay.
This is a song where he's trying to woo the girl. Hey, wait, Faltran, you think I should play a different song for the movie, or this is okay?
There's a lot of good songs in the movie. Vishal Shekhar का music है, right?
So should I play a romantic song of the movie?
चलेगा, लगा.
Huh? How about you play a romantic song of the movie first?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go about the waiting line. नमस्कार, आपका हाथ साथ Pam Pam के
Title Thursdays में. Pam Pam. Hello? Megha.
Megha ji.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yes, wonderful.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megha. Happy birthday to you. कैसे हैं आप Megha ji?
Thank you.
Now are you?
Thank you so much for your wishes.
Wonderful. So now you're legal enough to go clubbing with us, right? You're now legal enough to go clubbing with us, right? 21 हो गया अभी तो good ना?
बिल्कुल.
हाँ चलो फालतू नहीं, हम लोग आज शाम को जाएंगे पार्टी. मेगा जी को लेके जाएंगे.
मेगा जी को लेके
हाँ
जाएंगे.
क्लबिंग जा सकते हैं हम लोग. She's legal now to go. She's of legal age right now.
Yes.
So very good. तो मेगा जी बताइए ना, अभी हम लोग बातें करें टाइटलिंग के बारे में. आपने पहचाना ये कौन सा?
ये सुल्तान मूवी का नाम इन्होंने सुल्तान रखा था.
लेकिन अगर आप रखते तो क्या रखते आप? That is the thing.
The idea is good because it depicted the victory. तो जीत के बारे में बता सकते हो कि जीत मूवी ऑलरेडी है तो जीत की कहानी है जिसकी बट लाइक मूवी का टाइटल बहुत छोटा और सारा कुछ डिफाइन करना चाहिए, राइट? So Sultan was a good title, but Jeet could also be a good title like Spirit or that is one. And the other aspect was it that ups and downs, right? So I don't know ups and downs to कैसे Jeet, security, something related to winning, something like that. But Sultan is very powerful title because it talks about that you're the king of the arena. But somehow the movie did not do justice to Anushka's role. So,
Correct.
Yeah.
I agree with you on that. That's right. Because it became too centric. I still feel they could have worked
It
on.
became too centric on this thing.
हाँ.
Had it had something meteor for Anushka, could that should have been more juicier. But it was just because it was only a Salman, then Sultan feels okay or talking about G.
Yeah.
So he explores other things which they could have easily done in the movie.
Yeah. You know, how about we could actually talk about the fact that it's a fight all through for him, right?
Exactly.
And whether it is going to be in the ring or off the ring, it's still a fight, right? So the in the ring, off the ring also is, the whole life is a ring for him. It could have been Akhada also, no?
It actually a win or two. So इसलिए वो पूरा जीवन का उतार चढ़ाव से समझाना है.
Yeah.
So
What would you have called it? What would you have called
What
it?
would you call it?
Jeevan Dhara, maybe, I don't know. Or Jeet, something like that. Jeet
Yeah.
would be a good title.
Yeah,
Something like
Jeevan
that.
Dhara will be too family oriented. This is
Yeah.
going to be they want to make it like an action thing.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, I don't know if you'll think you like this title. I was thinking of this title called Akhada.
Oh.
Yeah.
Akhada.
Yeah, because life is also like Akhada for him, right?
Yeah.
Whether he comes out of the Akhada or not, he still has Akhada. He has to fight anyways. No? You don't think so?
Maybe we can have a sub of it because Akhada seems talking about a journey of a, or you could call like आजकल जैसे आता है Akhada, the journey of a wrestler, something like that. That would be most appropriate.
Ah, nice, nice. I like that. Story of a wrestler, she says. A bottom line at the bottom. A line at the bottom
Akhada.
is Akhada. Story of a wrestler.
No.
Yeah,
No. Akhada. The fight where the fight begins and never ends. Or
Aha.
something like that.
Akhada.
Yeah. Yeah.
Akhada,
The fight never ends.
I like the way you
the
guys
fight
think.
never ends or the story of or a life of something like that. Yeah.
Ah, very good, very good. Or you could just call it Kushti also. Kushti.
So, one of our bandus on Facebook is ready. Kushti Pyar Ji.
Ah, Kushti, that's nice. I like that. I thought that was good. See, now we got it, right?
No,
Tightly.
Pyar Ki Kushti.
Hey, I like that.
Agree on the character because we did not explore that angle.
Ah.
We could have explored more on the life part. So then we could have had some wonderful titles.
If I would have done it, then I would have said Pyar Ki Kushti mein.
Yeah, that's true. But I would say, I would actually drop all these things. First of all, if at all we want a one word title, I like what she was talking about. What did you call it? Akhada. What did you say?
no.
You used one word, no?
Jeevan
I
Dhara.
am talking about the victory of the Jeet.
Jeet.
The victory of the victory of like how you come back. Like it's more of a comeback.
Or you could call it Har Jeet.
Haha, Harjeet.
Something like that.
Yeah, it could have been Harjeet. Yeah, but it could have been Harjeet. It'll become like an 80s movie. That's why they wanted to give a
That's
different
why
name.
you keep it.
Correct.
It's a very different kind of a title. So
Correct.
that is, yeah.
And if you want a multi-line title, I would give it a title like Jeevan Ki Kushti. Hey, just kidding. But we'll go with your title. You want to call it Jeet or Harjeet? That's fine. Good. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Megha तो आज पार्टी मर रही है ना? Definitely.
बिल्कुल
Very good.
आ जाइए कल आ जाइए
हाँ रे very good. घर आ जाते हैं. अभी एड्रेस मालूम नहीं हमें.
Hey, हमें मालूम है एड्रेस. नहीं.
अच्छा मालूम है?
नहीं, actually नहीं मालूम है.
नहीं मालूम है. We'll figure it out.
मालूम है वापस भेज दूंगी आप लोग
Well, thank you so much, Megha. जी सुनते रहेगा and we'll play a nice song from the movie Sultan. Okay? Oh, sorry. In your version, Jeet.
हाँ.
Yeah. Okay? Thank you,
Thank
Megha
you
ji.
so much. Thank you so much for calling in. Bye.
And of course, बच्चन very simple. देखा क्या?
The असली धाकड़ girl.
Who?
वैसे लगता.
Huh?
That would have been the title.
Asli
Because-
Dhakad girl.
Yeah.
No, I have the next story coming up.
No, I would have said the asli dhakad girl for this movie.
Why?
Because she is actually the dhakad girl, right?
Ah.
She takes on and then she even sacrifices her marriage, right? She leaves.
You
She
know,
says-
if they wanted to have one word, they could have called it Dhakad.
Dhakad, yeah.
That's a nice word. Rustic wedding.
Yeah.
Mega, I don't know if you like it. So आपके version में हम लोग सुल्तान को धाकड़ बुला देंगे नाच से आगे आगे. Okay.
Okay.
So Father, any of the song, not song. I play a song anyways of the movie Sultan, which actually should have been called Jeet, Har Jeet, or Dhakad, right? As opposed to Sultan. That's what we're thinking, right?
Correct,
Now you know. Hey, by the way, there's no right or wrong answer to this. Okay. We're coming together and trying to think what could have been the alternative name for the title for the movie.
Right.
You might ask me why. Why not is ask you, because why we have to accept everything the way it's given to us, right? We can always add a twist to it, little bit of lime, little bit of mirchi, little chaat masala, and then have it, right? Right. So we can always do something on that. Sultan also was not very depictive of the storyline, anyways. So ऐसा कोई storyline है जो तू अभी share कर सकते बदलों के साथ, and they can actually tell us what could be the alternative title for it. चलो स्टोरी में एक है कि एक बंदा है he is a very he's in the army, right? A very well trained guy, मुसलमान बंदा है, and he actually, his father was in the army, so he also in the army, a very devout, should I say, deshbhakt banda hai. He gets picked for a commando unit run by the person he worships, like Tiger Shroff worshipping Hrithik Roshan. Now what happens is Hrithik Roshan is this story, actual story. Hrithik Roshan is the command lead. He doesn't like him at all, doesn't like Tiger Shroff at all. Why? Because the fact there was some kind of history behind him or his dad or whatever it is. His dad being a person who was supposedly cheated, something like that and all, right? So he would have had preconceived thing about the guy, about Tiger Shroff, right? But twist of things, what happens is there's a situation where suddenly Hrithik Roshan on the mission becomes the bad guy, right? And then Tiger Shroff is shown like as though he is the person who's trying to catch Hrithik Roshan because he knows him closest. Because in the training portion, they would actually built up a lot of rapport and everything, and that's what he knows everything about him. Because Tiger Shroff also would have been what do you call that, idol worshipping Hrithik Roshan. Because he wanted to be like him, somebody who's like that capable and everything, right? So, but finally, the twist of story, it all comes in, right? I'm talking about this movie where Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff acted together, and the song which is there, like that song, Jai Jai Shiv Shankar, Jai Jai Shiv Shankar, it became a hit in terms of songs and everything. But I really think that movie could have had a different title.
Oh God, yeah. Oh God, yeah. That movie.
What could be the title of that? Such a call karo, because they took a shortcut and gave it a 3-letter word. They didn't have done that.
They probably thought and said, "Nahi yaar, laga do."
Yeah.
Kar denge.
Yes. What could it be? Give us a call 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479.
And remember, you can also have the tagline. Like you can add the title with the tagline.
Of course.
Yeah. So आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. शायद ही देखी होगी आपने ये मूवी. लड़कियों ने देखी होगी, most of them, because it features total eye candy, because Hrithik Roshan's obviously there.
Yeah.
And in this movie, he looks good after a very long time. He looks very good. So आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479.
जब तक आप सोच के what could have been the alternative title for the movie which starred Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff Badajan. I'll play a nice song for the movie Sultan, but we want to call it as Dhakad or Har Jeet.
ना वो अखियां रूहानी कहीं, ना वो चेहरा नूरानी कहीं, कहीं दिल वाली बातें भी ना वो सजरी जवानी कहीं, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, ना तो हंसना रुमानी कहीं, ना तो खुशबू सुहानी कहीं, ना वो रंगली यादें देखी, ना वो प्यारी सी नादानी कहीं, जैसी तू है वैसी रहना, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई.
And of course, Vishal Shekhar's music, Ishad Kamil's bowl, Bandujan, Raj Fateh Ali Khan as the one who's voiced this Bandujan. A nice song for the movie, which was actually titled as Sultan, but we would have thought it would have been better if they had called it something else.
Well, Alto Baba, मुझे लगता है कि ये कोई और नाम नहीं देते क्योंकि the movie has to reflect Salman Khan.
That's what happened, Bandujan. So, yeah.
जैसे बजरंगी भाईजान,
Yeah.
सुल्तान,
Radhe.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
बारिशों के मौसमों की भीगी हरियाली तू, सर्दियों में गालों पे जो आती है वो लाली तू, रातों का सुकून, रातों का सुकून भी है, सुबह की अजान है, चाहतों की चादरों में मैंने है संभाली तू, कहीं आग जैसी जलती है, बने बरखा का पानी कहीं, कभी मन जाना चुपके से, यूं ही अपनी चलानी कहीं, जैसी तू है वैसी रहना, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई.
Yeah, Gala Bandujan, of course, it was a good movie. It was fun. It was a feel-good kind of movie. It did make a lot of money, actually. Anushka Shetty is very lucky that way.
अपने नसीबों में या हौसले की बातों में, सुखों और दुखों वाली सारी सौगातों में, संग तुझे रखना है, संग तुझे रखना है, तूने संग रहना, मेरी दुनिया में भी मेरे जज्बातों में, तेरी मिलती निशानी कहीं, जो है सबको दिखानी कहीं, तू तो जानती है मर के भी, मुझे आती है निभानी कहीं, वही करना.
Alright, Faltoni, कुछ बोलने वाली थी तू? What are you saying?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाली थी आलतू बाबा,
तेरा
मैं
चेहरे पे
बस
question mark आ गया, Faltoni, camera
तुम्हें
catch
किसी
everything.
ने कॉपी कैट बुलाया.
है?
हाँ,
क्यों?
फेसबुक में उन्होंने लिखा कि आलतू बाबा ने मेरा टाइटल ले लिया, कुश्ती प्यार की कुश्ती थी, जीवन की कुश्ती.
मैंने जीवन की कुश्ती बताया था, लेकिन वो अप्रूव नहीं हुआ बाद में. If you didn't know about that, Bandujan,
Yeah.
बस अप्रूव जो हुआ था, बस one word titles था, right?
Akhada,
Akhada.
where the fight begins.
Aha! Where the fight happens.
never ends.
The fight never ends.
Yeah.
Akhada was one thing. I thought they had Dhakad, right? You chose
Dhakad is another one. Dhakad, the asli
Dha-
Dhakad girl.
Asli Dhakad was Akhada.
Huh.
And then Akhada also one thing. Yeah, come on. By the way, there are many stories you got opportunity. अभी तो जो story बता रहा था मैं, right?
हाँ.
इसके लिए आप बताओ title क्या हो सकता है? Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff starring movie.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
तो आपको जल्दी कॉल करना है बच्चन. 408-912-2479. देखो,
I was
एक
gonna
बंदा
call
है
I
जो
was-
आर्मी को ज्वाइन, जो कमांडो को ज्वाइन करता है, उसके because of the fact that his father was in the forces, and then he goes to be mentored by somebody that he really looks up to, who is the role of Hrithik Roshan, who is
Yeah.
supposed to be this guy who couldn't care less attitude, and he's like,
No, he doesn't like the guy. Doesn't like this. Hrithik Roshan initially doesn't like our Tiger Shroff.
but
Why would anybody like him in the first instance?
I don't know about all that.
Ah.
But one thing for sure is Hrithik Roshan has he's also got this reputation for being a ruthless, merciless guy.
Ah?
Yeah.
No, man. He seems to be. Well, actually, yeah, you can say that. They
Like
kind
he
of
has no attachments, nothing. It's
Yeah.
like, okay, live.
He's like Lone Ranger. Lone Ranger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like your.
Yeah. The only thing he's like me, but no, I'm more handsome. That's the only difference.
So.
Wow.
Sorry, but I got distracted right there thinking about how Hrithik Roshan is like Altu Baba. Sorry.
Hello. He's not like me. He can't be like me. I told you, right? मुझे दूर से देखा तो I look like Hrithik Roshan. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you
दूर
turn the
से
light off.
अंधेरे में, right?
No, you turn light off, Hrithik Roshan, he'll look like me.
Whatever. You don't look even the slightest bit like Hrithik Roshan.
Just because he got cat eyes, that's the definition.
No.
Hey, see the movie Super 30? Super 30, he looks just like me.
No, he doesn't.
He looks handsome.
No, he doesn't.
For a change.
Oh, he looks handsome, yes.
Hey,
But
in that Super 30 only. He looks just like
okay,
me.
either ways, तो ये स्टोरी है बनुजान और फिर जब उसको दिल आ जाता है 8 मिनट के लिए कोई औरत पे तो वो औरत को भी टारगेट करके उसको मार देते हैं.
That is not at all the point of the whole story.
That's the story.
No, 8 मिनट में क्या स्टोरी है? वो तो बस आके हिट करा के चली गई वो.
अच्छा.
Movie actually ran only because of that particular 8 minutes. But the point is, this story actually is about the dynamics between the two people, right?
Okay.
There's an anti-climax towards the end also.
हाँ.
We will not tell you what the anti-climax is.
क्या nonsense anticlimax.
Didn't make sense to
Seriously,
me
it
at
didn't
all.
make any sense. But you know, the movie is about how this guy and how they use technology to, like, you know, what are they? They're actually CIA, ISI operate. No, what are they?
No, they are ISI, man. They
Raw
are agents. They
Raw
are.
agents.
Yeah.
They're raw agents who take out terror threats.
One thing is that guy really looks raw.
Who?
Who is? Kacha.
He can't act for nuts.
Yeah,
Rajan.
he
I'm
can't act
so
for nuts.
sorry, I
Oh,
don't
hey,
know.
hello, they're not paying him, they're paying him money actually.
Yeah.
But one thing is that he actually is maintaining his salary at level of all the heroines.
Hey, Altu.
What? He
That
takes
is the
4 to 5.
but that's besides the point. So call us and tell us which movie we're talking about. Actually, what would you title this movie?
I
So
would s-
technically, these guys are raw agents, Banujan.
Yeah, I think this. I'll give a multi-word title to it.
Huh.
A phrase.
Huh.
I would call it "Sir, I love you." What?
He's going after this Tiger Shroff's case. I don't know why.
What? Hello, sir. By the way, madam, he really admires the teacher.
Who? What
To the
nonsense.
point he tells people, "Oh, get in line."
Get in the line.
Get in the line. He tells the other people. Now. So I think the ideal name for it would be "Sir, I love you."
Okay.
Not the one word, but it should have been a "Sir, I love you" kind of a thing. Because actually, that's what it is all about. Guru, right? Guru Dakshina, Guru thing, and all that stuff. Like Guru Chele ka connection, right? That's what I feel. I don't know about you.
Okay, fine, Altu Baba.
So, Banjan, give us a call. What do you think would have been the alternative title for this particular movie, which starred Hrithik Roshan and what's the guy's name? Tiger Shroff. Fadlani, why are you so distracted, Fadlani?
Well, Altu Baba, I'm trying to post the status update.
Oh
So,
my
that's what I'm trying
God!
to do.
I'll tell you, Fadlani, that's why you should always plan ahead of time. But doesn't matter. You slowly learn from me, anyways. I'll give you the thing. Yeah, you learn. She's learning, but then उसको थोड़ा माफ कर दीजिएगा. Anyway, Fadlani, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Listen to a song inspiration के लिए.
तो आज यार घर पे ये बोल दो आएंगे देर से फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़ लो
And of course, you're wondering who is the again music director of this particular movie song?
Who?
Vishal Shekhar.
Woohoo!
अभी तक पोस्टिंग नहीं हुआ. My goodness, brother. Anyway, brother, you pay attention here to me right now. This is a song actually music direction by Vishal Shekhar and voiced by one of our favorites, Benny Dayal. Lyrics by one of Fadlani's favorite, Kumar.
तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के
नाचेंगे दोनों मिल के.
चेंगे हीरो बनकर ओ जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ है भयंकर रंगूड़ रे दो हम आए जल्दी शंकर के मूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ रे दो ओ जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ है भयंकर रंगूड़ रे दो
And of course, Benjan, Bharjan, अगर आपको मालूम है ये particular film आपने देखा नहीं तो I can't help you. But if at all you've seen it and you know the story about it, what would you call it? And I've seen the movie and I would call it definitely "Sir I Love You" because इसमें दिखता है clearly. The duet song was so nice. This is more like a romantic song actually to me. What? What? You don't remember Rajesh Khanna?
शंकर वो मूड है भयंकर.
Exactly. So Bharjan, give us a call here 4089122479.
बारी बारी ये जम के आजा देसी कमर पे ठुमके उछाल दे ओ सारे शर्म नाच चढ़ के जरा जरा नशा करके जितनी भी है शर्म दिल से निकाल दे अपनी ही शर्तों पे नचना आज रंगों से कोई नहीं भगना कल सुबह तक अब नहीं थकना रे हो दो राउंड लगा के 100 पाउंड उड़ा के होई बिल्लती बांध चढ़ा के
नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर. हेलो नमस्कार आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है आज का टाइटल थर्सडे में. Who's this? Hello.
Hello.
पैम
पैम
पैम, कैसे
सर?
हैं,
बहुत दिनों
प्रणव
के
जी?
बाद प्रणव जी.
या बहुत दिनों के बाद.
Why?
ऐसा तो मैं फोन करने नहीं वाला था बिकॉज
क्यों?
दिस वाज अबाउट किसी का शीर्षक है बट मैं बोला थोड़ा सा आज
शीर्षक
कर लेते हैं या इसीलिए मैंने फोन किया.
नहीं, शीर्षक क्या है? क्या हुआ?
मीन टाइटल.
हाँ तो अच्छा हुआ ना, लाइक यू गुड कीपिंग टाइटल्स ना. आप भी तो लिखते हो तो आप अगर
अरे यार लिखने से याद आया, आलतू बाबा क्या गाना गाया प्रणव जी.
Sir.
आपको वो आके रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा बॉस.
प्लीज वाकई रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा आपको.
हाँ
ठीक है?
हाँ प्लीज.
या
Thank you.
बिकॉज वो अच्छा वो गाने का टाइटल क्या हो सकता है अगर आपने वो गाने का टाइटल रखा तो?
गाने का टाइटल
हाँ उस गाने का टाइटल.
प्यार ही प्यार बेशुमार.
नहीं लेट हिम टेल. नो इनको
Oh,
मौका
बटो
इनको
मत.
हाँ
वो गाने का टाइटल प्यार है और क्या है.
हाँ वेरी गुड. थोड़ा गाना गा के बताओ एक लाइन प्लीज.
हाँ 2 लाइन गा दो ना हमें बंदुओं के लिए. बे एरिया के तमाम बंधुजन
अरे
जो
वो रिकॉर्ड करके सुनेंगे वो अभी
अरे
बटको मत.
थोड़ा
हाँ
बहुत
करेक्ट.
बटकों की बात नहीं. हम लोग टॉकिंग अबाउट द शीर्षक तो अच्छा है. हम टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइटल्स राइट नाउ.
ओके ही टेलिंग यू द टाइटल फॉर द मूवी रे. तू क्यों
ओके
भटकता है?
फाइन. ओके फाइन. हृतिक रोशन
देखो.
और हाँ
हाँ ना वो छोड़ो जो तुमने ना बोल दिया वो मूवी की पूरी व्याख्या कर दी कि कैसी मूवी थी. तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नथिंग टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड बट हाँ उसका कुछ वो ऐसे मास्टर जी मुझे ये सब कहना नहीं चाहिए बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द गुड वन. तो इसमें बोल सकते हैं जाबाज राइट.
जाबाज नाइस वन. जाबाज नाइस.
लेकिन वो तो कोई फ्लॉप मूवी था ना फरोज खान का.
फर्स्ट एंड
No,
फॉरमोस्ट.
it was not a flop movie. It did reasonably well.
ए,
बहुत अच्छे
रुको.
से गाने थे.
अच्छा फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट जाबाज का मतलब क्या होता है बताइए सब लोगों को.
Jambaz means we are like very brave, बहुत साहसी, fearless. Lot of it is there, right?
करेक्ट. सो बेसिकली यू आर सेइंग दैट इसमें
जान की बाजी जो लगाता है that is Jambaz.
हाँ तो इसमें एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग बंदूज इफ यू डिडंट नो बट पीपल नॉट सीन द मूवी. इसमें दे आर पुलिस दे आर आर्मी ऑफिसर्स हु एक्चुअली आर वेरी जाबाज. सो इट मेक्स सेंस टू हैव द वर्ड जाबाज राइट. डू यू हैव एनी अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव टाइटल्स लाइक मल्टीपल वर्ड?
Of course. तो एक तो जाबाज है, दूसरा से that is Urdu. Then you come to Hindi से you can say पराक्रमी, right? or one word would be Parush, like which is like
करेज.
right, courage, and yeah.
हाँ.
Or if you go to the funny side of it.
फनी साइड. अरे फनी साइड नहीं.
kudos to Fazan, इन्होंने उस गाने को बहुत बार देखा होगा, 1000 बार.
कौन सा
तो
वाला?
ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि they were working for, I mean, let me frame it. उसको बोल सकते हैं कि अर्धनग्न कच्चे सिपाही.
अर्धनग्न कच्चे सिपाही. वाह.
छी, oh my God.
सर नहीं एक मिनट फादर इट्स
ये कोई porn movie नहीं है.
No.
ये
Don't. एक मिनट सर इसको बता. फादर नो प्लीज डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड.
सर ये
हेलो प्लीज वन सेकंड.
पहले try to process this.
Yes.
Don't jump.
Yeah, exactly. Don't.
conclusion,
See,
right?
Faltoni, this actually is a very good title for a B-grade movie.
सर
Exactly. See,
Excuse me.
सुनो मुझे कहना दो पूरा. So you know why the first word is there, okay?
Yes.
अर्धनग्न क्यों?
Of course.
You go back to the song which you watch several times. Okay. So second word is कच्चे, right?
हाँ. कच्चे. Yeah. Raw. Law agents.
हाँ.
Exactly, you got
Yeah,
it, right?
I always get it, sir.
अर्धनग्न कच्चे सिपाही या अर्धनग्न कच्चे साहसी,
हाँ.
अर्धनग्न कच्चे वीर, कुछ भी कह सकते हो.
सर जैसे आपने टाइटल दिया ना, दादा कौन के स्टाइल का टाइटल है, अंधेरी रात में दिया तेरे हाथ में टाइप्स, अच्छा,
मैंने
या
तुम-
16 साल की कच्ची जवानी टाइप्स.
No. सुनो.
हाँ.
See, I gave you good title. जाबाज बोला, पराक्रमी बोला. Then this is a funny part. You can ignore it.
Sir, what do you think about my title? Sir, I love you.
Sir, I love you.
Or,
That's actually
you
a
can
good title.
Make it to serve with love.
Oh, to serve love.
Oh.
That was also another hot movie, right?
Was it?
Something, yeah, it was supposed to be some.
I don't know what other movies you watch,
I don't
Father,
know.
seriously. I don't want to go check your history at all anymore.
नहीं.
हाँ.
To serve with love was a classic movie old.
Not serve with
No,
love.
that's what I meant. It was like a.
To sir, comma with love.
Yeah, I meant to say hit movie.
Yeah. Hey, but Pranabji, I like your title. It's very nice. I think you should call it as Jabaz.
But ये कभी हुआ नहीं. This never happened. I never called. Okay. क्योंकि मेरे जो शिष्य लोग सुन रहे हैं वो बोलेंगे
सर एक बार हो गया सो हो गया सर, एक बार हो गया तो हो गया. It's called double jeopardy. एक बार कर दिया तो एक दूसरी बार का कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली. और मेरे क्लास के जो सबसे नटखट चुलबुले शैतान सब इधर ही है. क्या करूं मैं?
ए नटखट होके चुलबुली तो ये है, मैं नहीं हूँ.
तू ना मार खाएगा फिर से वो बुली बात ले गया है ना.
अली भाई ने बताया तू बहुत चुलबुली है.
हाँ, तो उन्होंने चुलबुली बोला. तू मेरे को मालूम है तूने क्या किया उसका?
क्या किया मैंने?
नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
देखो, डोंट उसका कुछ डिसेक्शन करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है.
I don't agree with
Good
that.
fun.
Yeah.
क्या टॉपिक है?
Always. Thank you. सुनते
थैंक यू
रहिएगा.
सो मच. सुनते रहिएगा. एंड अगर आपको कोई और मूवी का लगा कि रीटाइटलिंग करना है तो जरूर कॉल करें. लेकिन ऐसे मतलब थोड़ा दादा कौनके के फ्रेमवर्क से निकल के रामसे के फ्रेमवर्क में आइए.
Remember the good thing. Ignore the funny thing. Okay? मैंने तुमको 2-3 टाइटल दिए, उसको छोड़ो.
हाँ. तो अभी एक और फिल्म आएगा, उसके बारे में आप कॉल कर सकते हैं बारे में. Thank you so much for calling us, sir.
थैंक यू सो
Thanks,
मच
thanks.
मैडम जी.
And of
बाय.
course, बच्चा, we have a बंधु waiting in line, but we have to go to a break also. But बंधु को ले लेते हैं हम लोग. मिलते हैं आपको थोड़ी देर में. But Faltani, can you go talk to बंधु right now?
यस, लेट्स टॉक.
Thank you so much.
Please reduce the volume in the background, Mohammed साहब.
मर्चेंट साहब, रेडियो का वॉल्यूम कम कर
Mohammed
दीजिए
Merchant साहब.
I did.
सलाम
Oh no, this
अलैकुम.
time this is Viva.
Do I sound like a Saab guy?
No, you are Viva. Generally, Mohammed saab always plays the background.
We listen to the somebody who generally you have to turn off the radio.
Hey,
when-
Viva, we are the people who jump to conclusions. Yeah, can't help it. We are bad that way. We judge, we prejudge, we jump to conclusions. All the bad things in the world we do. So, Viva, good. You actually called us right now. We are actually on a break, so we get to talk to you and smooth with you some time before we get on air.
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
Viva, how's
cool,
everything?
cool.
How's life? Good.
आज क्या बनाया?
आज क्या बना?
Today was a Bhayankar day. I was fighting fires all day.
What?
Huh?
Fighting fires?
Yes, fighting fires all day today.
Which
Okay.
area is there
Lots of
fires?
emails and meetings and stuff like that.
Okay, that way. Work-wise you're talking about.
Work-wise. Well, I work.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
that
don't-
reminds me.
Yes,
I was supposed to
work-wise.
call her. Oh
Yeah.
God, I totally forgot. Viva.
Faltani, कभी काम
Don't worry, Kavita. I'm going to send you guys an update. I'll
No, I'll call you after the show. I'll call you after the show.
एक जब काम की बात होती है फालतू नहीं करती नहीं है कभी काम.
Hey.
हाँ नहीं मतलब काम की बहुत है लेकिन काम नहीं करती है. मतलब
Don't
काम की
worry,
बंदी है बोला
I
मैंने.
appreciate. You can call me anytime. guys.
या
You can
तू
call me anytime.
तू कॉल कर ले फालतू नहीं तू कॉल कर ले विवा जी को. ठीक है. तो विवा जी आज का टॉपिक आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Are you liking the topic? The theme?
The topic is good. I think, yeah, we can come up with quite a few alternatives
Yeah.
for all these.
Correct. So I really want to ask you this particular movie, which Hrithik Roshan and we're not on air by the way. I'm just talking to you about the movie. This actually was
Right.
more of targeting the female audience. Do you agree with me?
You mean you're talking about Tiger Shroff, right?
No,
That movie.
No, Tiger Shroff. No, we don't talk about him at all. Hrithik
So
Roshan.
he's a feminine element in the movie. That's what I mean.
Ah!
ये तो अपन की पलटन की है यार.
She gets it. She gets
Yeah.
it.
या वो क्या है ना, सबको आती नहीं और उसकी जाती नहीं.
Lekin sir, that's why I said, sir, I love you.
Definitely.
Because he shows that
Definitely.
devotion towards him becomes affection.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know, man. That guy, I think, just because he's, this Jackie's son, that's the only reason I think.
You know who should in that family
yeah.
should have acted?
His sister.
His sister. She's very pretty. She
Yeah, but-
actually has got
but
the
she's very
right
smart,
mix of
no,
mom and
but
dad.
she's got the brains, right?
I agree. The sister is definitely beautiful. He's pretty too, but she's prettier.
Hey, but she's a fitness
He's
coach,
pretty.
man.
He's not handsome. That is the
No,
whole thing.
he's not. He's beautiful. He's a beautiful boy.
Pretty
Or
boy.
man.
Hey,
Yeah.
hello, excuse
Pretty
me.
boy,
Hello.
pretty boy.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm talking about.
And he should choose roles like that, na, Altu.
Yeah, he should choose proper roles.
Like he should do the like what Saif Ali Khan did during that time, where he chose these metrosexual kind of roles, right? Which are
but for comedy, you got to have timing which he doesn't have.
oh, that's true.
Agreed.
And
He doesn't have anything except the
Saif had.
Sidat nine jumping. He has the jumping skill. That's it.
Yeah, he's got
and he's
like.
not a great dancer either.
He's not graceful. The
No,
thing is,
he's not. When he's dancing, it looks more like, he's doing gymnastics.
yeah, since we are being judgmental and everything right now, I'll pass some more judgment right now. So the thing is, this guy,
I
right?
really shouldn't be judging, especially because I put up all these, very, these motivational posts, and now I'm just being a
No,
hypocrite,
don't worry.
actually.
With us, always everything goes out the window, anyways. But the point is, I want to ask you. See, since we're actually being judgmental about it, right? Why don't we just pass some more judgment, right? I think he doesn't have the acting skills. He's got to build on that. What worked for Saif Ali Khan was he had the acting timing. So
Yeah.
his comedy worked. I think if Tiger Shroff does that, it's not going to work.
And no, actually, there's something called depth in a person. When you saw even there's something about Saif that you feel that there is substance there, which you don't feel when you see Tiger Shroff.
Yeah, if you want to know what that is,
That's
Balaja,
because
look at the
there's no
camera.
substance. That's because there is nothing to it, Kavita.
Yeah, I don't know.
So there's a reason. There's a
Faltu rani
reason why
re,
we don't see it.
faltu rani. Aur
False. I'm getting used to this. I'm still customizing my dialogue.
right.
Faltu Rani.
Wonderful. Stay
Right.
tuned. Don't go anywhere. We're going to come back to you right now. Okay, hold on. Don't hang up.
Hang up. Don't hang up.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
After months of screen time and no play dates, the Children's Discovery Museum is open for Purple Play Days of Summer. It's time to rediscover the wonder. Climb on the fire engine, splash around in the waterworks, blow bubbles, and scale the tree climber in Bill's backyard. Oodles of hands-on arts and culture, STEM, health, and nature-themed exhibits await your family. The Giant Purple Museum is open every day, Wednesday through Sunday. Reservations are required at cdm.org. That's cdm.org. जब हमारे परिवार के बुजुर्गों की सेहत और देखभाल की बात होती है तो घर पर इन होम केयर वाला ऑप्शन सबसे बढ़िया है। ऑनलॉक का पेस प्रोग्राम एक ऐसा कन्वीनियंट एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑप्शन है जिसके जरिए हमारे बुजुर्ग घर पर हमारे साथ रहकर यही देखभाल और सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। अब चाहे वो घर पर रहे या ऑनलॉक वाले पेस सेंटर में आए, उनको वही डेडिकेटेड एंड प्रोफेशनल केयर मिलेगी। ऑनलॉक ने बुजुर्गों की सेहत को अपना प्रायोरिटी बना लिया है। और जानने के लिए 1855-308-0195 पे कॉल करें। That's 1855-308-0195। Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Shamadi.
Assalamualaikum.
Satyakal.
मी गंदरी वंदनम
जय स्वामी नारायण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय गजेंद्र।
मैं इस्माइली भाईबंधों को बोलते ही आली मदद।
मौलाली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बातों को बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बरजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के दौरे में फालतू ब्लैक शीप yes 3 bags full and फालतू रानी।
यस मधुजारी। एंड आलतू बाबा, अगर आपको लगा कि कोई ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए भाग रहा है,
नहीं, मैं तो विभाजी को पकड़ने भाग रहा हूँ। विभाजी कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good. It's been a long day, but I'm here. I'm listening to you guys unwinding.
वाह,
Very
देखा?
good.
शाम की चुस्ती को भगाइए विद पैम पैम की चुस्की।
ए दिन की सुस्ती को भगाइए विथ प्याम पैम की
Is there a
चुस्ती।
दिन की सुस्ती या दिन की टेंशन? I think it was a tense day.
Oh, really? Anyway, don't worry. The good thing is in the tense only. It's in past tense.
Din ki-
Focus on the present.
Hi.
We're focus on the present and the future right now because you're going to get to meet a loved one right now, right?
Yeah.
तो वो सब है.
Absolutely.
Yeah. तो बताइए आज का theme है Title Thursdays and we're talking about this particular movie which starred Tiger Shroff and Hartik Roshan. Hartikwa.
You mean
Nagrat.
Tigris Shroff. Tigris Shroff and
हाँ,
Hrithik Roshan.
Tigress Shroff and Nagrat Roshan की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. You know who Nagrat is?
Nagrat.
No.
Yeah.
Nagrat actually is the official name for Hrithik Roshan.
Yes. His name was
okay,
Nagrat.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's his actual name. Actually, Dugu.
Dugu is
his
pet name, what you
Dugu,
call.
I think Dugu is a nickname, right?
Yeah.
That's his
But
nickname.
I only go with the official. I don't know him personally. It's fine. Falto nahi can know him.
Is Faltu Rani a fan of Dugu?
No, she's air conditioner.
No, that's nothing like that. Initially, I used to like when I saw Kahona Pyar Hai, my friends had to apparently all my friends literally had to carry me out of the movie theater because I was dehydrated with all the salivating. So, and then I
wow.
passed out. So,
I thought you had
Are you
diarrhea.
serious? You actually passed out. Seriously.
So I thought you had.
I
Oh,
couldn't-
really?
I couldn't sleep for nights,
It was
dude,
diarrhea.
seriously.
I thought they told me you had diarrhea.
yeah,
What was it actually?
it wasn't diarrhea too.
What is the dehydration?
Oh, nonsense,
Oh,
dehydration.
sorry. I didn't know that. Your friends told me a different thing totally.
Yeah, so because I had not watched Hindi movies in a long time, and then it was like, it was something
Who
that,
is this?
yeah,
Who is this Greek god?
yeah.
She felt like Kareena Kapoor in the movie. Kaun hai wo? Kaun hai wo?
Oh, really? What is that?
दीवाना है देखो बेकरार वो.
That is a horrible. That is a horrible movie.
I know,
Are you talking about the
Kirti ji.
movie with Abhishek Bachchan in it? That was horrible.
No, this is like Kirti ji, man. Yo, Kirti
Oh,
ji,
wow.
Kaun-
Okay, I thought you were talking about a movie that they did, which was a nasty movie.
Yeah, Kabhi Khushi Gum, right? They actually came back second. He was actually established by the time already. But anyway, coming back to the point, right now we're talking about this particular movie, Tiger Shroff and Hrithik Roshan. What would you title this particular movie, knowing the storyline? Have you seen the movie first of all? आपने film देखा?
Yeah, I think Akraman is a good one.
Akraman.
Which is attack. Akraman's a good title, I think. And then what else could we? Dhokebaz, because in the movie,
Yes.
this guy
Correct.
he was kind of a traitor, right?
Correct.
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, and actually there's a double dokha happening there, right? Remember? There was actually Tiger Shroff also actually is not Tiger Shroff there. I don't want to give up the
don't give
suspense.
it-
I like the word
big deal.
dhokebas. I like dhokebas.
I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember the entire plot now. All I remember is, there was definitely betrayal going on in there.
Yeah, lots of betrayal going on. Yeah, Dhoka. Dhoka is a good name. Dhoka.
That's something we are not familiar
Oh,
with. Right?
how
We are all
about-
good people, right?
How about Nakab?
Nakab. No, Nakab is like, no, doesn't make.
Yeah, because
Nakab will give away the
A
term.
veil. Yeah, actually that could work.
Nakab.
Nakab could work.
Yeah,
Veil.
but it'll give away the whole story. No, actually it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. Nakab,
Nakab is
because
good.
everybody has a mask on,
Wow.
right? Every single person
Correct.
there has a
I
mask
like
on.
it. I like it. Nakab.
Everybody is hustling and playing everyone else.
Yeah, so
Yes.
I want to ask, since you're the person deciding on this, Vibha, what do you think? Nakab or what do you suggest? What do you suggest? What do
I
you
think
pick?
Akraman
is nice.
attack. So attack could be any type of attack. It could be a physical attack like they are in a war.
Yeah.
Or even isn't betrayal an attack as well? When you're betraying somebody, that's an emotional attack, right?
I like
so
it.
Akraman, I think, would be a good one.
Yes, I like it. And you don't like the one I suggested, Sarah, I love you?
Well, that would work too. I mean,
There's
we
an
do know he
undercurrent to
loves
them.
him, right?
Hey, there's undercurrent to
we do know,
infatuation.
actually, we know she loves him.
Hey, there's undercurrent.
Jackie-
Have you
Not
seen? Wait,
she.
let's ask Vibha if she made note of this, okay? In the movie, you saw the movie, right?
I saw the movie. Yeah, Jana and I watched it together actually.
Yeah, so you remember this particular, there's one dialogue where this guy is supposedly in the cottage and there's a girl who in their unit, right? And she said, oh my God, all the girls are crazy after this particular thing. And then they make Tiger Shroff put in, say a dialogue in between.
Huh.
Get in line.
Get in the line.
Get in the line.
So he.
So
Well,
other way-
isn't that apt? I
Yes.
mean, everybody knows, right? So I guess
Exactly.
it makes
yeah,
sense.
but the way Tiger Shroff looks at Hrithik Roshan
Yeah, that was like,
in that movie,
oh
it
my
doesn't
God.
look like it's out of respect and adoration. It looks more like
Last
No, it just looks like puppy love. Like love.
I like the way she jumped to lust.
Poor Disha, right? Poor Disha. I mean, I don't know what's going on there.
Nothing poor about
That is
her.
also something that's a puzzle. So.
नहीं, nothing poor
नहीं, या
about
तो
her.
उस बंदे को एक्टिंग नहीं आती है,
acting तो
एक तो वो है, या उस बंदे को सच्ची में ऋतिक रोशन से बेहद प्यार है.
तो है.
कुछ
Well,
तो
he
है.
did say that. You know, when they interviewed them, I think I believe I saw an interview before the movie was released, and you know, he said that growing up he was in awe of him and he loved him and he wanted to look like him and dance like him, but except he's not a him, he's a she, right? So I don't know.
Well, the point.
What?
Well, actually,
It doesn't matter. It's equal opportunity, man.
I have a conspiracy. You know, the thing is, Hrithik Roshan has his own line of underwear, right?
Yeah.
HR something, and I think, what's the name? Tiger Shroff is the brand ambassador for that. Did you know that?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. No,
That's why.
I didn't know that, and now I don't know if I can unhear this.
No, seriously, it's called the HR brand. It's
No,
called
for
HR.
her, immediately Tiger
Wow.
Shroff in Hrithik Roshan briefs would have passed in her head. That image would have gone through her head, right?
I had no idea. But I'm not going to be Googling this tonight, that's for sure.
So she says she's going to do it. Okay, it's fine. If we do it, it's okay. It's fine. We forgive you. It's okay. But actually, no, come on. Equal opportunity, man. I'm all for it. We are in San Francisco Bay Area.
Yeah.
It's fine. So very good. So I like both the titles you picked for this. I like Akraman. I like Naqab also. I like Akraman more, actually. It makes sense. Even though he gets attacked by the guy and the girl gets attacked by him.
Oh.
All those things.
Everyone is attacking everyone. Yeah, thank God our world is not like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't
Well,
know.
in that movie, you could also call it something else. If it's about love, right? You could also call it Pyar Tune Kya Kiya.
You can also call it three-way. So three people in a restaurant.
yeah, okay.
Hrithik Roshan,
बच्चे सुनते हैं भाई.
Tiger Shroff and the girl.
विभाजी
विभाजी
बच्चे सुनते हैं.
नहीं हमारे
Hey,
एक
but
हेडमास्टर है जो सुन
we
रहे
can
हैं.
actually call this actually confusion also.
Huh?
We can call this movie as confusion.
No, why?
Yeah.
Why?
Even he's confused, no, whether he's in what he is teacher or
Don't know
what.
who's opposite who, right?
That's true. I felt that way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
But उन लोग दोनों की हाथापाई मस्त होती है. And they actually got a very nice duet song. I can imagine, it actually is almost equal to what Rajesh Khanna and Mumtaz danced in the movie.
The judges is Pankaj. Mood bhayan.
Be quiet. Where is Mumtaz and where is Tiger?
Hey, I did say that.
That is- that is-
What are you talking about? I just went to it's a holy kind of a song, right?
अच्छा वैसे.
No, nothing holy about it. People are like,
Even that song,
unholy.
there's nothing holy about it.
Okay, good. Vibha, thank you so much for calling in today. And ऐसे ही एक और story आएगी, do call back and share your creativity with us, okay?
100%, guys.
Thank you very
Thank you so much for
having
calling
me.
in.
Thank
And of course, the number to call here is 4089-122-479 4089-122-479. Good, we picked on Tiger Shroff, picked on Hrithik Roshan already. What is the next story you want to pick, Faltwani? I already picked on this guy.
अच्छा, okay, I'm going to give you the eternal cliched story, Manajan.
That is what is new about you. Huh?
No. Hey,
Okay, fine.
a boy there is one guy and another girl and they both are very good friends. They're the best of friends.
Yeah.
फिर कॉलेज में मतलब उनकी इसमें एक लड़की आती है जो प्रिंसिपल की बेटी है, बहुत ही हॉट है.
Principal की बेटी है उसमें?
आई थिंक शी इज प्रिंसिपल की बेटी है,
I
कुछ
never
कुछ
knew
तो
that.
ऐसा है. तो देन लड़का उस लड़की के साथ, क्योंकि जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उसको वो रोमांटिकली चाहता नहीं है, लेकिन उस लड़की पे फिदा हो जाता है एंड देन उन दोनों का टाका भिड़ जाता है. लेकिन ये जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उसको बहुत बुरा लगता है क्योंकि शी हरसेल्फ हैड स्टार्टेड टू डेवलप रोमांटिक इंक्लिनेशंस, क्योंकि वो एक टॉम बॉय है. तो वो निकल जाती है वहां से कि तुझे याद न मेरी आए किसी से अब क्या कहना. तो वैसे वो निकल जाती है. फिर ऑब्वियसली दो हीरोइंस कभी
दो लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं बन सकती.
नहीं एक लड़का और एक लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं बन सकते, राइट?
हाय हाय, वो तो सच बात है
और जब नहीं, दो हीरोइन जनरली हो नहीं सकती, किसी को मार देते हैं.
हाँ.
तो ये जो जो हॉट वाली हीरोइन को हीरोइन से शादी होती है, उनके बच्चा होने के बाद उसको कोई अननोन डिजीज आ जाता है, वो मर जाती है. लेकिन वो लिखती है कि उसको जाके उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड से शादी करनी है. शी वुड हैव गिवन अ दिस, तो ये बहुत डिलिजेंटली उस
यहाँ तक कि उनके बच्चे को भी उसके दोस्त का नाम रखा गया,
हाँ, हाँ,
अंजलि।
अंजलि।
Yeah.
तो फिर वो जाके ये हीरो, वो बच्ची इंसिस्ट करती है, तो हीरो बहुत ही हेजिटेशन के साथ जाता है, और
He
लेकिन
doesn't know, no, what she could still be tomboy. He doesn't
हाँ
like.
टॉम बॉय, एंड देन लेकिन क्या होता है, वो उसको देखता है साड़ी में, लंबे बाल, ऐसे ऐसे टोटली गर्ली गर्ली फेमिनिन जो आइडियल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ वुमन
पार्लर
है,
जाके आके।
हाँ वैसे लग रही है। तो ये फिदा हो जाता है फिर से अभी उस पे, एंड देन उनके बीच वो जो चिंगारी जो भड़की थी, वो आग लग जाती है फिर से, एंड लड़की जो जिसकी मंगनी हो चुकी है, फिर भी लड़की उसको छोड़ के ये दोनों इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं।
I have
तो
a
ये
nice
जो
title for this.
इस मूवी के लिए टाइटल क्या हो सकता है?
I will call this title as देर आए तंदुरुस्त आए. Come on. It's made up after again, no?
What nonsense.
What?
तो
It's much better than the actual original title of this particular movie.
I would have called it ठरकी छोकरो.
Works. Works. Yeah.
Because every time the way they've shown
Yeah, but
in the
no,
movie,
but
it's only based on the looks of the woman.
Okay, but
हाँ.
this movie was targeting a different audience.
हाँ.
ठगी छोकरो works nowadays, but उस जमाने में 90s में ऐसे audience के लिए they have to be polished.
हाँ.
एक polished ना.
तो आपको कॉल करना
हाँ,
है.
now I like you, now I don't.
Now I like you, now I don't.
हाँ.
Eh,
Or now I don't. No, I don't like you. Something like that. Come on, but think of something creative idea for this thing.
हाँ.
This is the movie which actually stars Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol, and Rani Mukherjee.
और I would say मेरी प्यारी सहेली. Sorry. Yeah.
No, Faltani, please. You should not be naming things.
I would have just said ठरकी छोकरो. I think it works perfectly because that's
You are a person who should actually be titling all these B-grade movies. Seems to be you have good knowledge of all those movies.
Hey,
हाँ.
look at the movie objectively. ये बंदा जब पहले लड़की से प्यार होता है, उसको मिनी स्कर्ट में देख के
बाद में साड़ी मतलब बदल गया ना, उसका टेस्ट बदला ना.
अबे वो साड़ी में कैसे दिखाया, उसका वेस्ट दिखाया, ऐसे दिखाया, उसका चेहरा नहीं दिखाते हैं.
हाँ.
They just show all the like उसका जो vital stats है वैसे दिखाते हैं वो second round में. तो obviously and then he falls in love. What nonsense.
Hey, please don't call. See, story बन गया, film बन गया, नाम की बात करें हम लोग.
हाँ.
तो बड़ा जन नाम दीजिएगा इसके लिए, कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 4089122479. Are you wondering how will I do it? Yeah, that's what you got to shake up your mind. They're giving you a particular title which is stuck on you, right? Now you should actually shake it up, think laterally, like outside the box, and come with a nice title for it.
हाँ.
What could we call?
408.
What is his name in this movie?
Whose name? His name I don't remember.
I think his name is Rahul in this, right?
I don't know. 408-912-2479 आपको कॉल करना है अगेन ऑन 408-912-2479. मीनाक्षी शर्मा जी, आप क्या लिख रही हैं फेसबुक पे? यहाँ पे कॉल करके बताएं. सेम थिंग विद यू ज्योति अरोरा, जल्दी कॉल करो 408-912-2479. मलिक अबरार खान साहब, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप आलतू को बोल रहे हो कि मेरे को बोल रहे हो?
क्या बोल रहे हैं? Is something good for me,
या फाल्तो जी, you look amazing. I'm assuming that's for me. Thank you very much.
No.
ये आपका प्यार है सर.
आलतू जी अमेजिंग बोल रहे हैं. हाँ, बट थैंक यू सो मच सर, मैं आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट देता हूँ ऑलवेज.
ये आपके प्यार भरे नजरों का अंदाज.
वाह, अंदाज.
नहीं, अंजाम.
अंजाम. हाँ, अंजाम इज फुलफिलमेंट.
Yeah. हाँ, that's right.
It is the fulfillment of your eyes.
No.
Love you guys.
असर है. Sorry, I'm having brain freeze.
Oh, you're having brain? Very good. Pizza fry having
Hey.
with the spice and everything.
अच्छा, जल्दी कॉल करो. राहुल, टीना and अंजलि.
I would have called this particular movie.
हाँ.
I would have named it Rahul and I.
Rahul and I.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. But that is actually a movie, right? Rahul and I. No, it's a Pancham and Mia. No, what was that?
She had a Pancham da Rahul and I was. But this would be a nice title for it, right? I am very good at this title for right
तो
now.
जल्दी कॉल करें. आपको अगर असली मूवी का नाम भी मालूम है, उस पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. 408-912-2479.
एंड सुनिएगा बनजन, बारिश की आड़ में लड़की अपने आंसू को छुपा रही है. लड़का को पता भी नहीं चलता कि क्या कर रही है.
टाइटल ट्रैक लगा रहा है.
टाइटल ट्रैक नहीं रे, ये वाला तुझे याद न मेरी आई. नो,
रोंदू गाना है. चल लगा.
लंबा लीड ने क्या?
नहीं
लंबा
नहीं
लीड
नहीं
ने?
नहीं
ये गाना मुझे सुन के मेरे को बोर हो रहा है. How will the bundles feel? हाँ, anyway,
लगा.
Jatran, let's composition. Oh gosh, crying. This is again melodramatic movie of first.
Yeah.
Anyway, Baljan, here you go. This is the song we're talking about. सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा.
बहुत लड़कियों ने रोया होगा काजोल के साथ जिनका प्यार मुकम्मल नहीं हुआ आलतू बाबा उनके बेस्ट फ्रेंडों के साथ.
फ्रेंडों के साथ. देखो, अब मंदिर में जाके घंटी करो, घंटी बजाओ, आपकी घंटी लग जाएगी. कितने सारे लड़कों ने जाके मंदिर में बोलेगा आई लव यू. अगर वो मूर्ति को देख के बोला था कुछ तो बेनिफिट होता आप लोगों को. हाँ, सीरियसली. हाँ, यही गो. Falguni, a particular song, right, is sung by Alka Yagnik and Manpreet Akhtar.
Yeah.
Any uncle, auntie, uncle of Farhan Akhtar? You know, a relation? Jam.
जुल्फों की घटा लहराई पैगाम वफा के लाई
तूने अच्छी प्रीत निभाई तूने अच्छी प्रीत निभाई किसी से अब क्या कहना तुझे याद न मेरी आई किसी से अब क्या कहना
Well, Baljan, I don't think people want to mess with the memory, Father. That's why people are very scared to actually talk about this particular movie and how they can rename the movie.
अरे यार बन्नजान आपको बताना है कि एक्चुअली कौन सी मूवी का गाना स्टोरी हमने आपको बताया है.
अरे उनको मालूम है कौन सी मूवी का स्टोरी है लेकिन they don't able to think of an alternative title for it.
अच्छा,
Right? नमस्कार पैम पैम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this?
Hi, Pam.
ओए होए मीनाक्षी
मीनाक्षी
जी.
जी.
मीनाक्षी जी डेफिनेटली बदलेगी नो भाई.
हाँ.
इसमें उसका सलमान खान नहीं है इसलिए.
सलमान खान है.
इसमें कहाँ पे सलमान
है
खान
ना.
आता है?
है
हाँ.
कुछ होता है मैं गेस्ट अपीयरेंस में जिसे काजोल धोखा दे देती है वो सलमान खान ही तो था.
अच्छा उधर देखो इतना दुख हो रहा है इसको. माय गुडनेस.
हाँ.
इसीलिए सलमान खान भी
उस
बिजी है.
टाइम मेरे को इतना गुस्सा है ना काजोल पे.
एग्जैक्टली सेम फालतू रानी. आई
हाँ.
सो बैड.
साजन जी
I
घर आए.
इतना अच्छा लड़का छोड़ के चल रही सेकंड हैंड जवानी के पीछे.
देखो
हाँ.
आप हमें डेफिनेटली आप नहीं आती मीनाक्षी. यू डेफिनेटली कोसुफाई मी और यू विल टोकोफाई मी फॉर श्योर. यू नो व्हाई? मैंने ये फिल्म भी देखी नहीं है.
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं. अब एक और हॉल ऑफ फेम में चला गया आपके मूवीज का नाम.
I don't think I'll watch the movie. इस मूवी के बारे में कितना जानकारी पाया मालूम है? I know the whole story of the movie actually. Thanks to फालतू रानी.
हाँ?
Right? हाँ लेकिन बता अगर आपने
एक
आपको
बार देख भी लो ना.
अरे नहीं यार वो बहुत बोरिंग है यार. It seems very boring.
हाँ तो फिर मत देखो.
नहीं दूंगा. अच्छा बताओ ये गाड़ी अगर नेम चेंज करो तो नेम you know residence with me I'll go watch it for sure. बताओ क्या नेम दोगे?
मेरे हिसाब से तो एक ये टाइटल भी जा सकता है कि लड़का और लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
लंबा है. लड़का लड़की कभी दोस्त.
हैंस प्रूव्ड इस पूरा मूवी में दिखाया है.
एक मिनट. लड़का लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं बन सकते. It'll be like you know.
या नहीं होते या समथिंग लाइक
नहीं होते. It has to come within 5. There's a limitation of 5 words.
और एक वो दूसरा मैंने लिखा था एक अनार दो बीमार.
हाँ I love this.
What does that mean?
I love this.
What does that mean?
One अनार दो बीमार. अनार is like a medicine, right?
हाँ.
Like it's अनार दाना, right?
ऐसे मतलब ये कहावत है ना एक अनार 100 बीमार. तो
हाँ.
यहाँ पे 100 बीमार तो नहीं है यहाँ पे 2 बीमार है.
Hey, why don't we do this? इसको बदल देते हैं थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए. 2 अनार 1 बीमार.
हाँ ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, or you can also इंग्लिश में अगर देखा जाए तो we can give a title like have the cake eat it too.
No, doesn't sound right.
और it could be ये भी और वो भी. I like that.
अरे छी, ये भी और वो भी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर नहीं करता है, कुछ भी आलतू.
Hello, ये marriage के बारे तो करता ना. What is this?
क्या?
Seriously.
Whatever.
Oh, why? But I know. We need to think of a nice title. I like एक अनार दो बीमार. I like that. But कुछ और सोचो ना, because it has to talk about the. Oh, it could be ऐसे ही. हाँ, nice title.
हाँ?
ऐसे ही.
क्या?
ऐसे ही.
तू what?
और कुछ भी.
हाँ, कुछ भी would be a great title.
कुछ भी.
Seriously.
हाँ, nice. हाँ.
थोड़ा ग्रेसफुली हमें कोई नाम देना पड़ेगा. करण जौहर का डेब्यू डायरेक्टरल
हाँ, के से शुरू करना था, नहीं तो हिट नहीं होता पिक्चर.
हाँ, really के से करना.
के से शुरू करना.
Let's say के से क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? कुछ भी is a nice title. और
कुछ भी.
किसको प्यार करूं?
हाँ.
किसको प्यार
नहीं
करूं?
प्यार करता ना वो फर्स्ट वाइफ से.
अबे किसको प्यार करूं? चल ठीक है, कुछ भी.
और it could be इसकी उसकी. आहा. No?
दो इसकी उसकी थी. What इसकी उसकी?
तो इसकी थी बाद में उसकी हो गई ना. Doesn't she actually leave Salman Khan and come to Shah Rukh Khan?
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा?
Hey, that's a long thing. क्या हुआ तेरा? 4 words yeah comes.
वैसे तो दो का मूवी होना चाहिए नाम, क्योंकि बेचारे सलमान खान को तो धोखा ही दे दिया मूवी में.
हाँ, धोखा also nice name. हाँ, अरे यार प्यार का धोखा.
नहीं, तेरा वो ये प्यार का कुछ थी, प्यार का धोखा, सारे में ऐसे प्यार का कुछ बना दो.
अच्छा. और धोखाधड़ी. हाँ, वो धोखाधड़ी.
धोखाधड़ी.
प्यार, दोस्ती और धोखा.
प्यार, दोस्ती और धोखा. आहा, नाइस.
क्योंकि पहले उसे प्यार मिल गया, फिर वो दोस्ती के पीछे भागा प्यार लेने के लिए, और उस दोस्त ने बेचारे सलमान खान को धोखा दे दिया.
और it could also be called like कैसे लोग. वाह. Question mark. What kind of people? I like प्यार का धोखा. What you talked about? What did you say? What is the last one you told Meenakshi ji?
क्या? प्यार, दोस्ती और धोखा.
प्यार, दोस्ती और धोखा. वाह. Or it could be, yeah, no. I was thinking of different title.
What is it?
No, I was thinking of शादी के बाद.
नहीं, उसकी तो कोई स्टोरी नहीं है.
ऐसे होता है शादी के बाद ही तो उसका एक्चुअल लव होता ना उसके साथ में.
अबे पहली बीवी को मार दिया क्या वहाँ पे?
हाँ.
उसका भी प्यार फर्स्ट हाफ में उससे प्यार मतलब एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं, राइट?
हाँ.
तो
I got one more thing. सोने पे सुहागा.
That is so bad. It's such a sad thing that she dies, poor thing.
No, मतलब he gets to have both the girls. But मतलब he gets 1 and 2 also, right?
Altu Baba,
हाँ.
stop. That is so bad.
What?
So hard.
मतलब that's what they tried. That was a totally male chauvinist kind of movie. Seriously.
Huh?
That the movie should not be actually be made also in the first place.
कोई भी पिक कर लो भाई, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
हाँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
हाँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Title is very nice. I like the title. I'm going to write the title right now. I'm going to write it.
No, कोई मिल गया नहीं, कोई मिल जाए.
कोई भी चलेगा. कोई भी. हाँ.
No man, we should change it to a nice title. What?
So fine. That's what we do. That's why we have Meenakshi on air, right? So, but if you
अरे यार,
also.
मेरे दिमाग में जो आया मैंने तो आपको बता दिया.
अरे.
Actually, मूवी का नाम होना चाहिए क्यों? Right? मालूम है क्यों? क्योंकि वो क्यों काजोल से प्यार नहीं करता? The why of love. Okay, so
लेकिन वो सलमान का
क्यों रानी मुखर्जी से मतलब प्यार करके शादी कर लेता है?
हाँ.
क्यों रानी मुखर्जी मर जाती है, उसका प्यार टूट जाता है?
I have a title.
वो बच्ची
Hello. I was going. Meenakshi, I have a nice title, but it seemed like an 80s movie though.
बोलो.
Okay.
You know what
Yeah,
title it is? It came to me, it went away. I was going to call it like, अंधा प्यार.
No.
अंधा प्यार. Oh my
कसम.
God. नहीं, अंधा प्यार तो इसमें कहीं भी नहीं है.
नहीं, मेरे को मिल गया. कसम प्यार करने वालों की.
वो है ना कसम पैदा करने वाली.
पैदा करने वाली की
यार,
नहीं,
why can't
क्योंकि
we-
इसमें प्यार करने वाली
See,
का सब है.
I can imagine how much of trouble that particular Dharma production would have had
अब
to
ऐसे
come with
इससे
title.
मिलता जुलता ऐसे रख सकते हैं ना, कैसा कैसा होता है, कुछ होता है कि जो
Oh no, ये भी होता है.
No, ka. It has to be with the Dharma Productions. Ka. Ke.
कैसा कुछ भी होता है.
कैसा ये इश्क है?
कैसा ये? Beautiful.
What do you
I
think?
like it.
क्या बोलते हो आप?
कैसा ये इश्क है?
Good.
Very nice. अजब सा रिक्शे है.
Hey, you know, I tell you what, I think this is what happens in all these, these sittings where they actually decide the title, right?
या आए अल्तुबा.
Yeah.
ए मीनाक्षी जी.
मीनाक्षी जी,
यार,
हम लोग ना-
कोई फाइनेंशियल पकड़ो यार.
Financial-
अल्तुबा बैठ के यहाँ
कितना चाहिए? How much do you want money for? Money is just material, come on.
Somebody, you know,
कितना
like,
चाहिए बोल तेरे को? मैं मंगाता हूँ तेरे लिए पैसा.
हम लोग ना इंडिया में बोलते हैं रूम लगा के ना वहाँ पे बैठ के ऐसे आइडिया लगाते हैं.
हम जूम लगा के बैठे ना. हम लोग जूम लगा के करते हैं सब कुछ. And I like it. कुछ होता है, should be called as कैसा ये इश्क है.
हाँ.
Because actually, you know, see, my प्यार पहले किसी और से हुआ,
हाँ.
उसको धोखा दिया, बाद में वो जिंदगी ने उसको धोखा दिया,
हाँ.
लेकिन आफ्टर वापस प्यार हुआ ना उसको, इश्क हुआ उससे, right?
Right.
But you know, I don't understand one thing. They say people who are in love can never become friends.
What nonsense.
Yeah.
No.
But people who are friends can become fall in love.
No, people who are in love can be friends.
No.
Actually, they need to become friends. They need to be, for it to sustain.
Oh my God, you're putting pressure on them. Need
No,
to be.
no. Well, they say to sustain, na.
That's a different show totally right now, but I like the title. What do you think, Meenakshi ji? आपको ये title पसंद आया?
Yeah, that's a good title.
कैसा ये इश्क?
Undoubtedly.
कैसा ये
तभी
इश्क?
तो हम आपको बोलते हैं कितने टैलेंटेड हो आप यार. तो बाबा आप यहाँ कर क्या रहे हो?
Time pass?
You should be in the Bollywood. वहाँ पे स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग और ये सब करना.
अरे यार, वहाँ पे हम चले गए तो फरहान अख्तर को काम नहीं मिलेगा ना.
Hey.
And what?
हाँ.
Well, of course, that particular duo they have to go out, right? Farhan Akhtar and his sister.
नहीं साथ साथ भी आप मिलके काम कर सकते हो.
Oh,
किसी को रिप्लेस थोड़ी ना करते जा रहे हो.
हाँ, करेक्ट बात है, सही बात है. Even if
फरहान को टैलेंट चाहिए यार. उसको टैलेंट की परख है.
लेकिन
Remember?
Farhan not work with me. He'll have a moch in his neck.
Why?
He's too
Oh yeah,
short.
he's too short. Yeah, that's true.
वो मेरे से at least 1.5 feet short है.
No, seriously. There's a
Yeah.
ऐसे तो
photograph.
फिर कोई भी काम नहीं करेगा आपके साथ.
आप करोगे ना?
मैं भी तो शॉर्ट हूँ, मुझे भी
लेकिन
वैसे ऊपर करके
वैसे भी
देखना
हमारा
पड़ेगा.
हमारे काम तो बस फोन पे ऑनलाइन ही होता है भाई. आप कभी मिलते नहीं हो हमें पर्सनली. हाँ कि नहीं? या सही बात है ना?
हाँ राइट
हाँ.
राइट.
अरे मीनाक्षी जी, इसके हिसाब से मैं भी शॉर्ट हूँ.
अभी
हाँ वो तो
सच
खैर
अभी सच तो आज नहीं
जाती है आप पर कि आपको शॉर्ट बोलते हो.
हाँ, ये देखो हाइट लेवल देखो.
ए, देख, मैं 5'10" हूँ हाँ, मीनाक्षी जी.
कहाँ से?
I know.
I think you bought the scale from China. right?
5'9.5" हो गया.
Chinese में 1 feet
1
10
inch
inches.
short of 5'10". तू ना.
Chinese scale में 1 inches 10 inches. 1 feet is 10 inches.
Okay, 1 feet is 10 inches.
पर
Yeah, yeah.
दिल्ली में मैंने कोई 5'10" की लड़की नहीं देखी इतनी लंबी लड़की.
Yeah.
नहीं है ना. 5'9" दीपिका पादुकोण है.
5'10" बीटी कपड़ कौन है?
नहीं,
And even
five-
मैंने उसे
5'9".
देखा नहीं है ना. तब मैं आपको देखूंगी तो तब मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी कि मैंने
Very good.
इतनी लंबी लड़की देखी.
हाँ.
सही बात है.
हाँ,
सही बात.
seriously. नहीं, मैं seriously लंबी हूँ. It's not.
हाँ
ए,
तो ऑब्वियसली आई ट्रस्ट यू.
चौड़ी भी हूँ, मजा चला देते.
मैंने कुछ बताया नहीं बात है तो क्या? My goodness. so
अच्छा, मेरा मजाक
sensitive.
उड़ा रहा है.
मैंने कुछ
मजाक उड़ा रहा है.
जब कुदरत ने किया तो मैं क्यों करूं? Yeah, I cannot. I think nature is the biggest joker, not me, फालतू में.
अच्छा, yeah, right.
I'm like a person who reads the script only.
Yes, that's true. Because big बड़ा जोक यहाँ पे बैठा है.
Yes, that's true.
हाँ.
I'm the biggest joke in the world.
Yes.
Yeah, I
तो
agree.
हो गया दोनों का. बैक टू द टॉपिक.
आपके बारे में हमारा धर्म जी का बहुत अच्छा विचार है, by the way. You bring it back to topic बोल के.
Yeah.
And by the way, Meenakshi ji, I like that thing. Oh my God, look at the teamwork, Meenakshi ji.
You are the one who gave that title. So hats off to you.
कैसा ये इश्क है.
इसके
हाँ
है.
ये कैसा
And
है
the bottom line, अजब सा रिस्क.
अजब सा रिक्स है.
अब अजब सा रिक्स है.
कैसा है इश्क है, अजब सा रिक्स है.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड. आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द एफर्ट वी डू. सो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो होने वाला है ख्यालों में बनेगा डेफिनेटली. ओके,
श्योर.
थैंक यू सो मच मीनाक्षी
तो
जी. सुनते रहिएगा.
Okay, have a
आप
good day.
याद रखिएगा, आगे से वो कुछ होता है नहीं है. कैसा ये इश्क है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
हाँ,
Okay.
अच्छा.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very much.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You know, we've done a very good job, Father. I'm very impressed. We got out, actually, we churned out 3 movie titles already.
Okay, that's all.
Dhakar. That's the kind of work we do. Hey, but how about we go next storyline?
Okay.
We'll make it interesting right now, Fatari.
हाँ.
There's a particular story. यहाँ पे जो है ना एक लड़का जो है दो भाई हैं, very lovey-dovey family, two brothers,
हाँ.
you know, elder brother, younger brother, the nice brothers, good friends more than brothers.
हाँ.
So एक तो foreign return है, and बड़े भाई को शादी करानी है.
हाँ.
बड़े भाई is a good boy like me.
हाँ.
Tells them, अरे पिताजी आप देख लो, मैं हाँ बोल दूंगा, blah blah blah.
हाँ.
So they actually say yes, okay, we found this girl, but the guy's very busy. He has to come back and go and marry immediately. Chattamangni Pattabia kind of styles.
Huh.
So what happens is they say, okay, fine. The younger brother is going to do the hunting for his elder brother.
हाँ.
Girl hunting he does for the elder brother. So he goes meets all the people and decides. He is supposed to shortlist the girls. He's supposed to have his bhabhi.
हाँ.
Now इत्तेफाक ये है कि he
क्या
actually
बोला?
meets a girl.
Oh.
He meets a girl who he thinks is a perfect bhabhi.
हाँ, हाँ.
But he unfortunately falls in love with her, and she falls in love with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
फिर?
बस क्या और भी धुनकी है.
अच्छा.
Yeah, and then this actually is starring Ali Zafar, Imran Khan, and Katrina Kaif.
Altu Baba's favorite.
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif.
So आपको बोलना पड़ेगा अगर ये film,
हाँ.
should I tell them what the movie name was?
ना, आप बताइए इसका नाम क्या रखेंगे आप? और ये कौन सी मूवी है जिसके बारे में आलतू बाबा ने अभी बात की?
Yeah.
अगर आपने नहीं देखी है, it is a nice movie. It's a good movie. In fact, हमारे जो विभाजी बोल रहे थे कल that guy, the hero of
Imran
this
Khan.
movie, he hasn't gotten as much credit. He's one of the most underrated actors, and I totally agree with her. I think he would have done well had he gotten a few more opportunities. तो आपको कॉल करके बताना है कि ये मूवी का नाम क्या रखेंगे आप?
Yeah, this actually has got a wonderful song. I'll play a song for you guys.
Huh.
And you gotta tell me what could have been the alternative title for this particular. I think the title has done justice to it.
I think it's like क्यों बच गया ना?
No. Yeah, good idea. But this is a nice song which is starring, of course, which I think Shweta Pandit also sung this song, I suppose. Music is by, you know who? Sohail Sen, Faltwani.
Yes,
Sohail
I
Sen.
know.
इरशाद कामिल के बोल है पंजान एंड लीजिएगा पेश है गाना आपके लिए लेकिन आपको बोलना पड़ेगा ये फिल्म का ऑल्टरनेटिव टाइटल क्या हो सकता है? Could be something like what Faltwani talked about. क्यों हो गया ना, right? What did you say?
क्यों बच गया ना?
बच गया ना.
शहनाई.
सर घूमे चक्कर खा
मैं बोलूं?
दिल से टक्कर खाए.
हाँ बोल.
शादी का लड्डू.
अगर
शादी का लड्डू डॉट जो खाए पछताए. Question mark, exclamation.
very nice. I like it.
अरे मैं खोया के
अगर आपको पसंद आए चलेगा लेकिन कॉल कीजिएगा जरूर and tell us what you think would be the nice thing, okay?
अरे हाँ दग दुम दांग दग दगड़ दांग 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 दग. सर घूमे चक्कर खाए दिल से टक्कर खाए और मैं खोया के तू खो गया. सर घूमे चक्कर खाए दिल से टक्कर खाए और मैं खोया के तू खो गया. जो ना है दिखता जाए जो है वो दिख ना पाए और आंखों को ये क्या हो गया. बिन चाबी खुल जाए मस्ती का ताला चोरी लागे चोरू चोरा लगे साला पनघट पे नाचे. पनघट पे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला पनघट पे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला पनघट पे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला.
क्यों थक गए बंधुजान? कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. What could be the alternative title for this Bridjan? Title Thursday में आप लोगों का न्योता है. Invitation for you to give us a call here 408-912-2479.
हाँ दिल के हैं छक्के छोटे छोकरे लटकों झटकों से अपना रोक रे. तू तो नैनों में मेरे छा रहा छुट्टी तुझको तू चाहे जो करे हाँ
अब अकल अकेली भटके रे, दिल सड़क सड़क सर पटके रे, ये बार बार ही तुझ पे अटके रे बेलिया। अकल अकेली भटके रे, दिल सड़क सड़क सर पटके रे, ये बार बार ही तुझ पे अटके रे बेलिया। दिल ने चाहत का सिक्का ऐसा उछाला, सबके गालों पे लगे मुझको दिल काला, पनखट पे नाचे पनघट पे नाचे,
नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला,
पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला।
डंग डांग डग डग रे डांग डग 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 रे डांग डग डग रे डांग।
अरे थक गए क्या?
कॉल करो भाई 408912247
क्या खाक यूपी है?
क्या पिया है? कुछ भी पिया है, लेकिन पी के ड्राइव न कर रहा।
नाचे रे नाचे
मधुबाला, पनघट पे नाचे,
नाचे रे नाचे
मधुबाला,
पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला।
डंग डांग डग डग रे डांग डंग डांग डग डग डग। हो बंदू जान, कॉल कीजिएगा। देखा क्या मस्त गाना था?
किसी को मालूम नहीं है पिक्चर कौन सी है?
पिक्चर कौन सी है? पिक्चर का नाम था मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन।
मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन, लेकिन उससे प्यार हो जाता है ना इसको।
इसको उससे प्यार हो जाता है। सो आई थिंक द टाइटलिंग वाज नाइस।
Yes.
सोच समझ के अच्छी एक्सपेंसिव रूम लगा के उन्होंने सोचा है। मतलब 5 स्टार में यार, तू भी सही में कहे कुछ लोग घटिया यू नो मूवी टाइटल क्यों आता है मालूम है?
मालूम है क्यों?
लॉज में लोग लेते हैं। यू शुड नॉट डू लॉज। एक्सपेंसिव होटल में रखोगे तो इट विल एक्चुअली कम आउट विद गुड आइडियाज।
अच्छा।
So I think they've done a good job with the name titling. It's called मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन. But if you want to call it a different title, what would that be? विभा जी, what happened? आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को चर्न कीजिएगा, यहाँ पे डायल कीजिएगा 4089122279।
आज उनको क्या हो गया?
किनको क्या हो गया?
वो शायद उनका कोटा खत्म हो गया।
कोटा क्या है?
कोटा है ना उनको कॉल करने
वो
का?
राजस्थान से है क्या?
नहीं, वो कहीं भी तो है, मैं भूल गई। झारखंड झारखंड रही 10
वो कानपुरिया है।
कानपुरिया।
तो यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479। हमारा पूरा कान है, कानपुर लेने के हमारा पूरा कान देंगे आपको जन।
हाँ।
ताकि अपना राय यहाँ पे आप
और वो कहाँ गई? शेरू की माँ।
शेरू की माँ।
हाँ।
She called properly, you know. शेरू की माँ कॉल कर दे 4089122479 तुझे निर्दोषी कसम।
निर्दोषी।
Her mom makes very good निर्दोष, I told her.
Her mom, yeah, so bad. Yeah, she's
So
not
bad,
invited
no.
us at all.
Yeah, she's supposed to have tested and called us also, right?
Yeah,
यही
yeah.
होता है यार, सब लोग ना झूठे वादे करते हैं हमारे साथ।
हाँ. Seriously, आलतू.
कुछ लोग बुलाते हैं घर
वो
पे
एक
लेके address देते हैं।
दीपा है ना?
हाँ।
हमें क्या? Oh yeah, I will send you my address. You come to Mountain House. बोल के इंडिया चली गई।
हाँ।
हेला।
हाँ,
Seriously. और फिर रात को 2:30 बजे को मैं फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करती है
हाँ, क्या बोलती?
कि शो खत्म हो गया। Oh, you got to like, oh, but why फालतू? Why you saying that? Like what? What line? How will I know what?
Expecting is. I think you don't know what on demand is.
Yeah. नहीं,
Probably.
Yeah.
Come on guys, give us a call here 4089122479। बहुत सारे hearts and likes आ रही है। Thank you so much. शुक्रिया मेरे बंधु जन।
So आप इस रंजीत सिंह भाटिया साहब, अरे वाह, जो लेखक हैं, जो कविता लिखते हैं, वो लोग वो क्या है? वो राइटर है ना रंजीत सिंह भाटिया साहब। ए लेखक, नोटबुक नहीं, इडियट। क्या सीरियसली? हे भगवान।
I thought वे से लेकर कहा था।
महिमा जी यार, आपने मेरे साथ सरासर नाइंसाफी की है। मुझे अकेले छोड़ के चले गए यहाँ पे। सीरियसली मुझे इसके साथ अकेले छोड़ के कैसे
मेरे को
चलेगा? मैं
अकेले छोड़ के
कैसे
चली गई आप माहिमा जी। हाँ, anyway, फातरी, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, प्लीज विषय से मत भटको।
मैं नहीं भटक रही हूँ, मैं पूछ रही हूँ
हाँ,
कि
हाँ,
ये जो मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन मूवी है, अगर आपने नहीं देखी है, अच्छी मूवी है। आई लाइक्ड इट अ लॉट एंड सॉन्ग्स आर ग्रेट।
I have a nice title for that.
हाँ,
देवर होगा तेरा। What? What? That's what she should say, right? तेरा देवर है तो देवर होगा तेरा, you know? देवर होगा तेरा।
आंटी होगी तेरी माँ टाइप्स। That's what you mean.
No,
When
man.
somebody said that dialogue somewhere.
I don't know whether see suppose the two boys are going right, somebody like you know say hey देख तेरी बहन आ गई, तो कहल से बहन होगी तेरी,
हाँ,
तेरी भाभी है, so that you know
हाँ.
देवर होगा तेरा।
oh nice. But what about mine? शादी का लड्डू।
शादी का लड्डू is too common. शादी की जलेबी ओके अंडरस्टैंडेबल,
छे जलेबी नहीं देते हैं शादी में।
तो वही तो है ना इंटरेस्टिंग। It's all the twists and turns of marriage,
हाँ,
right?
बीवी बनेगी मेरी जीव।
Who said that?
मीनाक्षी जी।
मीनाक्षी जी यहाँ पे कॉल करके बताएगा क्या आपके फोटोफोबिया हो रहा है यार बॉस्टन में, प्लीज यार कम ऑन।
उन्होंने अभी कॉल किया ना।
तो क्या हुआ फिर से कॉल? माय गुडनेस, क्या ये सब काउंटिंग करते हैं आप लोग? पार्थनी, व्हाट इज दिस आई एम हियरिंग?
मैं नहीं रखती हूँ,
हाँ,
मैं बस उनके लिए बोल रही हूँ। मीनाक्षी मेरी दोस्त
तो
है ना।
व्हाट योर दोस्त है ठीक है, फिर भी कम ऑन यू कांट बी।
हेलो मीनाक्षी जी, वो
हाँ।
उनको क्या हुआ जो फ्लोरिडा में बैठी है, बिजनेस नेटवर्क प्रोफेशनल वाली, एक उनकी फ्रेंड है ना,
हाँ, क्या हुआ आपको?
उनका
कॉल कीजिएगा।
वो कहाँ गए?
हाँ।
आप कहाँ गए? मैं आपको आपका बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रही हूँ।
बेसब्री से?
हाँ।
हाँ, ये बेसब्री से इंतजार करिए, मैं तो आपको कल से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। फाल्तरानी,
हाँ।
I think we should actually retire this as a Hall of Fame.
हॉल ऑफ फेम।
People are not able to think of better title for the song, for the movie other than मेरे brother की दुल्हन.
मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन।
But come on, Barja, we want to ask you guys, is it okay if we were able to come up with the concept? I think
Actually, for this, the movie would have been, the title would have been दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
it's no man.
This would have been the apt title for this
No,
movie.
man.
Yes. Because दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, जो दिल वाले हैं, actually दोनों दिल वाले हैं इसमें.
Yeah, exactly.
That actually both characters are दिल वाले.
हाँ, घर वाले दुल्हन ले जाएंगे. Good one, right? I like that. घर वाले. नमस्कार, दादा पाप पाप के टाइटल थर्सडे में who's this? Hello.
हाय पैम।
हाय मीनाक्षी जी, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया एकदम, आप दोनों।
आपने सुना नाम क्या रखा आज तूने?
Finally मैं decide
क्या?
किया. She was thinking of putting the name as दिल वाले दुल्हन ले जाएंगे. I said that doesn't work. It should be घर वाले दुल्हन ले जाएंगे.
घर वाले
तो घर में तो है मतलब विभीषण ना? नहीं, उनके घर में तो विभीषण है ना, इसीलिए.
अबे
हाँ. क्या?
It's funny. God.
What is the what? Excuse me. What are you talking about?
उसमें घर में विभीषण नहीं है, क्या बात कर रहा है? वो रावण थोड़ा ना है.
मतलब रावण नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी विभीषण से काम किया ना.
ये राम और लक्ष्मण नहीं, ये एक्चुअली पांडव लोगों का कहानी हो गया, राइट?
नहीं, no.
Yeah, yeah.
No, that doesn't happen that way. She doesn't choose. She only choose one. Unlike Pandav, in Mahabharata, she liked all five.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
liked only Arjun.
No, she didn't. She wanted all the five qualities. That's why she was blessed with that, right?
No, she didn't say that. She
No.
No.
Hello,
she
you
didn't.
guys want to argue with
केवल
me?
अर्जुन ने विन करा था, लेकिन
करा था?
उनकी कुंती ने बोला था
हाँ.
कि आपस में बांट लो.
हाँ.
तो वो अपनी माँ की आज्ञा का उल्लंघन नहीं करते थे, तो उन्होंने आपस में बांट ली.
हाँ, ठीक है, लेकिन there's also a story that she actually wanted to have a man with all the properties of what she asked it.
एग्जैक्टली,
तथास्तु मिल गया उसको.
कृष्ण ने बताया था
हाँ,
कि
तो-
उन्हें जो प्रॉपर एक हर एक इंसान में क्वालिटी चाहिए थी, जो उन्होंने 5 क्वालिटीज बताई थी, वो एक इंसान के अंदर मिलनी मुश्किल थी, इसलिए 5 इंसान मिले.
मुश्किल नहीं, impossible था. Even Krishna didn't have all the qualities.
यस.
हाँ,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
But anyway, good. Let's not talk. अरे भटको मत विषय से फालतू नहीं. What are you doing here? Coming back to this point. ये मेरे brother की दुल्हन. What do you think?
भाभी होगी तेरी.
भाभी होगी तेरी.
भाभी होगी. That good one. I like that. I totally like this. भाभी होगी तेरी.
या बीवी बनेगी मेरी.
नहीं, I like भाभी होगी तेरी. भाभी होगी तेरी. Yes.
हाँ, good one.
Hey, I like भाभी होगी तेरी. I'm totally loving it. भाभी होगी तेरी.
हाँ,
Because otherwise people say, no, अरे बहन होगी तेरी, right?
हाँ.
ये भाभी होगी तेरी. अरे भाभी होगी तेरी. ये तो मेरी हाँ. Correct. I like it. मुझे पसंद आया.
हाँ.
I like this. मैं फाइनलाइज करने वाला हूँ.
हाँ,
BHT.
ठीक है. BH.
MBD से BHT.
MBKD.
MBKD से BHD, बेटर ना BHD. हाँ. अरे वाह मीनाक्षी जी, आपका तो नेचुरल टैलेंट है यार फिल्मों का नाम निकालने में.
आप लोगों को सुन के आ गया.
अरे वाह, so sweet, सच्चाई और इतना ओपनली बोल रहे हैं आप, वेरी गुड यार. तो फादर, हाँ, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक फादर, एक और चैलेंज दिया जाए इनको?
हाँ, दो
नहीं, एक ही बोल रहा हूँ.
दो ना.
एक.
अबे ओए, चैलेंज दो मैंने बोला. गिव.
हाँ. तो एक काम करते हैं, एक और फिल्म की बात करते हैं.
हाँ.
ये जो फिल्म जो है ना, आई थिंक इट इज द मोस्ट बकवास काइंड ऑफ अ टाइटल. इसमें ना जो एक्चुअली मूवी स्टारिंग कैटरीना कैफ एंड ऋतिक रोशन, wherein the Hrithik Roshan supposed to be a spy and all, right? It was a copy of a Hollywood movie called Night and Day. मालूम है आपको?
अच्छा, वो बैंग बैंग की बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, and I think Bang Bang actually was the most stupidest title they could pick up.
Correct.
What could it? I think they didn't spend time on the title at all. We should spend some time right now.
Yeah.
What do you think we can call that thing?
पता नहीं यार, ये मैंने मूवी नहीं देखी है.
रात और दिन.
No man, night is a KNIGHT.
Huh?
Yeah.
KNIGHT. Yeah.
He's the knight who saves her, right? Shining armor.
Oh, like that.
But you know, I think you should be like दुनिया की सैर कर लो. Around the world.
No, it's not that. वो storyline क्या है उसमें वो?
अरे he comes and he supposedly he's a espionage guy and she tags along with him.
हो, मेरे पास एक है.
हाँ.
रहस्यमयी. जिसको समझ रहा था उनको समझ में आ गया.
सही बात है, हमको समझ आ गया, of course.
हाँ, किसी का नाम है रहस्यमयी.
I'm thinking what could be the title for that movie. She have not seen the movie. I can't expect Meenakshi to give us a.
Bang क्यों रखा
हाँ,
उन्होंने?
मुझे नहीं पता क्योंकि मूवी का स्टोरी लाइन नहीं पता है मुझे, तो
यार कोई फर्क नहीं
मैं help
पड़ता.
नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
उसमें कुछ नहीं है. रिडिकुलस है. वो एक बोर्ड लाइफ जी रही है. ये एक स्पाई है जो उसके लाइफ में आता है, ऐसे तूफान समझ जाता है जहाँ पे उसको उसके साथ यहाँ घूमा. I mean मतलब भागम दौड़ी होती है. Basically he is trying to escape people who are trying to get to him, and she somehow gets caught in the mix, and she lives this she's always imagined living this kind of a lifestyle which is very reckless, and that's what it is. And then finally he comes back, whatever.
So let me ask you, Meenakshi ji, हमारे मेलों में ना इंडिया में they actually have the thing which turns big, right? तो क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Merry-go-round.
No, the vertical होता है ना जो. Giant wheel. उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं नहीं पता. जाइंट व्हील ही बोलते हैं.
वाह, शुक्र है आपने बोला कि बड़ा चक्र है.
बड़ा झूला.
What is it called? It's called something. I'm sure it's called something, right? What is it called?
घन चक्कर
also is right. But that could have been a घन चक्कर, but घन चक्कर would be a person, right?
हाँ.
So I think we need.
For this movie,
हाँ.
we should call it Rafu Chakkar. I don't know. That's a movie, right? Rafu Chakkar. रफू चक्कर कोई मूवी था ना मीनाक्षी जी?
हाँ, रफू चक्कर मूवी था.
What does रफू चक्कर mean? The where they disappear, right? That's what this movie is about. They keep disappearing from every place.
Correct.
हाँ.
चलो इसका नाम रफू चक्कर लगाएंगे हम लोग. We don't want Bang Bang. It's a very stupid song they're giving.
I didn't like the Bang Bang.
I didn't like it also. तो क्या बोलते हैं आप? हम लोग 10 चेंज कर देंगे टाइटल को. क्या बोलते हैं आप?
हाँ, बिल्कुल चेंज कर दीजिए.
And the people who actually are movie makers listening to us right now, मुझे मालूम है सब लोग सुन रहे हैं हमारे शो को. अगर आपको आइडिया चाहिए तो of course we are available for contract. We also get Meenakshi ji with us for the contract. Don't worry. And हमने Bang Bang का नाम officially change कर दिया कि रफू चक्कर. Correct? Good. I like it. So today we've been very productive, by the way. क्या हंस रही है तू?
क्या
हंस क्यों रही है? We changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 titles today.
अरे वाह, 2 घंटे.
कुछ लोग ना पूरा रात दिन हफ्ता बिताते थे लॉज में. डिसाइडिंग 1 टाइटल. हमने 5 टाइटल निकाल दिए हमने.
5 टाइटल.
देखो एफिशिएंसी देखो हमारी. अभी यहाँ पे कोस्ट टू कोस्ट काम कर रहे हैं हम, ईस्ट कोस्ट टू वेस्ट कोस्ट. थैंक यू मीनाक्षी जी. देखो हमारा
तो एक्चुअली वो मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन का मेरा एक और टाइटल आया दिमाग में.
अरे बोलना डाली बोल.
लग गई ... लॉटरी.
That's sweet title for Bang Bang.
No, for that movie. क्योंकि उसमें लग जाती है, right?
किसकी लॉटरी लगती है?
इमरान खान की लॉटरी लगती है क्योंकि उसको प्यार हो जाता है
Why can't
और
it be-
उसको लग जाती है, राइट?
लेकिन उसको लगती है ना, उसके भाई को लगती है ना।
भाई को लग गई ना,
क्या?
तो इसीलिए डॉट डॉट डॉट
क्या लगी?
मतलब लग गई।
क्या लगी?
जो भी।
कुछ भी।
नहीं ऐसा टाइटल नहीं रखते।
हाँ। ओके फाइन, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सेंसर बोर्ड ने बोल दिया कि नेक्स्ट। तो वेरी गुड, तो थैंक यू सो मच मीनाक्षी जी। आपके लिए एंडिंग गाना लगाएंगे हम लोग ऋतिक रोशन का बैंग बैंग टाइटल सॉन्ग। हाउ अबाउट दैट? ओके,
ओके,
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स कितना मजा हमको आया, मालूम नहीं कितना मजा आप लोगों का है, लेकिन हमें बहुत मजा आया एक्चुअली आज का शो करने में एंड एक्सरसाइजिंग आवर एबिलिटी टू गिव टाइटल्स टू मूवीज बड़जान। एंड इसी गाने के साथ हम लोग चले जाएंगे कोई बैंग बैंग में बड़जान एंड द टाइटल ट्रैक ऑफ द मूवी बैंग बैंग व्हिच वाज अ कॉपी ऑफ a movie called Night and Day in Hollywood. Banajan. Again, a composition Vishal Shekhar sung by Benny D. मतलब Benny Dal.
तेरी मेरी रातों ने किए हैं कुछ इरादे, मिली है जो अब ये मुलाकातें, कोई जादू होने को है। तेरी मेरी हुई आंखों आंखों में जो बातें, मिली है जो अब ये मुलाकातें, कोई जादू होने को है। होना है जो होना है, रहेगा होके ही होता है, जो मिल जाता है कोई होगा ये जाना मैंने मिलके तुमसे ही। Are you feeling it tonight? I'm feeling it tonight. Bang bang रात भर
Alright, Banajan, आपको विश करते हैं रात भर आपको नींद आए और सुबह सवेरे उठ जाए, लेकिन अभी बात नहीं बोलने वाले हम लोग।
Good night.
शब खैर
एंड प्यार भरा।
जाने क्यों bang 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 जाने क्यों bang 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 जाने क्यों bang bang आजकल आते जाते आंखें करती है बातें, आज तो आ जाना है।
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music Banajan for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to mediamahima.com.
यूं के ये कौन बोला? क्योंकि हम हैं सुगंधा मिश्रा और नाम